hate a synthetic wig that just feels like plastic and all crunchy, but this wig right here feels so soft. It feels so natural. It almost reminds me of a yucky straight texture. Let's rewind things back. Hey beautiful, I'm Ashley Michelle, and if you're ready to turn things up a notch this year, then keep on watching. This synthetic wig shocked me in the best way. It looks so natural, and sis, if you want head turning confidence that reminds you of who God said you are, this tutorial is just for you. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Sensational Butta Lace Pre-Cut Just Wear and Go unit number 14. I have her in the color Balayage Sunkissed, and she does have lace from ear to ear, which is pre-cut. There's also a lace middle part on this unit, and it comes with 2 combs that are right by the temple section. And the unit also has a comb in the nape section as well, so you have a lot of security with this unit. She also comes with adjustable straps at the bottom of the nape to secure the wig even tighter, and an adjustable strap. Now this adjustable strap is not removable, so if you cut it out you would have to sew it back in, but it is nice and stretchy and very durable. And last but not least, let's get into the lace. You all, the stock card does say that the unit has smaller knots and a pre-tweezed hairline, and I could not agree with them more. This hairline looks so natural and the knots are very small. I just love the HD lace on this unit. So let's go ahead and get into this glueless install. To tint my lace, I'm going to be using the Ebin Tint Lace Spray in the shade Medium Dark Brown. Ooh, wait a minute, wait a minute. As you all can see, I was super excited after trying the wig back on once I had the lace nice and tinted to my liking. I just love this color on this unit. And to make the hairline look a little bit more natural, I am going back in with my eyebrow razor and small scissors just to make the hairline more jagged around the lace, so that way it doesn't look like I just have a lace unit sitting on my forehead. And now I'm going to prep my skin using some toner to clear off any residue, oils, and makeup. And then I'm going to use the Ebin adhesive spray to secure the wig down in place. And I'm going to spray 2 layers of this spray all across my hairline, well, really on my forehead in front of my hairline. And I'm going to be using my blow dryer on a cool temperature. The key word is cool, y'all. For some reason, when I use a hotter temperature, it just leaves a sticky residue, and I don't know, it just makes the lace look very weird. So I would highly recommend using cool temperature. You can use the highest force, but cool on the temperature. And then I'm just smoothing and pressing everything in place before I apply my melt band. Alright y'all, here are the final results of this Butta Lace unit featuring their pre-cut unit number 14. You all, I am so in love with this color. Like, yes ma'am for the Sunkissed Balayage. Okay, I'm definitely feeling sun-kissed. I'm definitely loving this color. This wig is so lightweight. It's very easy to apply, and I just love the cut and the color on this unit. They did a phenomenal job with the layers. Like, they're just so effortless. And this wig feels super soft, y'all. Like, I hate a synthetic wig that just feels like plastic and all crunchy, but this wig right here feels so soft. It feels so natural. It almost reminds me of a yucky straight texture. I also love the density on this unit. It's not too thick. So if you're one of those people that are new to wearing wigs and you want something that just gives you a new look but it's not too much, I definitely would suggest trying out this unit. And I will have all the specs listed down below in the description box, so that way you all can check this unit out for yourselves. But I am in love, you all. It has been probably almost 2 months since I've actually put on a unit, and I don't know, she might be back. She's back. Like, I don't know, y'all. I took a little breaky break, but I think this one is bringing me back out of retirement. I don't know. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know down below in the comments what you guys are thinking of this unit. And let's get into the lace. Like, definitely very much HD lace for this. For $50, $55, I think this lace looks really, really good. I did go in with my melt band, so I think the lace is worth the price. It's definitely worth the price, for sure. For sure. So would I recommend adding this wig to your collection? Yes, I do give this wig a 10 out of 10. Now, it is a longer unit, so you are going to have a little bit of tangling and shedding, but I mean, it's synthetic. That just comes with the territory. I mean, here are a few strands right here. But as long as you have a wide tooth comb or a powder brush with you, you will have no issues with being able to just comb and brush through this unit. Get the wig, sis. Get the wig. If you contemplating, just get it. Just get the wig, sis. And they have so many different colors. Like the color, I tried this unit on in my local beauty supply store, and I will list the other color that I tried it on, but it was more so of like a 1B or a 1 with like blonde highlights. So this gives us more brown, which I'm like, oh, I just love it. It's just Sunkissed Brown. I feel like this would eat in the summertime. I don't know. I might have to run this back in the summertime too, because this color, darling. This color, darling. I mean, let's say synthetic wigs do last the better you take care of it. So you take care of it, it's going to take care of you. Okay? And I ain't just talking about a wig, but you know, if you know, you know. That is all that I have for this wig install featuring this Butta lace unit. I hope that you all really did enjoy this wig install and learn something new. And let me know your thoughts. Would you rock this unit yourself? Let me know down below in the comments your thoughts on this video. And of course, do not forget to share this video with your beauty besties so that way we all can look fabulous together. And you all already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay popping. And I will see you all in my next video. Oh, and of course, remember, you are her, so act like it. Bye, y'all.
Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now.